Hello, everyone, and welcome to our monthly blog. So much of what we do these days is on Zoom, and that's amazing. It's been a wonderful experience over these last few years. But every so often, we do something for real in real life, and most significantly, we do our retreats for real in real places at real times with real people. And they are a wonderful experience. And we've got one coming up very soon, and that's the top of our agenda today. So, shall we kick off by talking about the retreat in May very soon?
Thank you, Steve. I'll be brief because we have been advertising it for a while, but there are a few rooms left, and it's at the Brewery Retreat Centre in Yorkshire. It's a superb location. It's a retreat centre, so it has a beautiful chapel. There is an energy of prayer there. We're fed beautifully. All the rooms are en suite. You get to meet each other, give hugs, as Steve said, in real life, real people, and really experience being together in person, which makes everything a full body, mind, soul, spirit experience. It's so much deeper and more enriching. Although, like you, I love the Zoom meetings. We've really got a sense of family. There's nothing better than being in person. So there are a few rooms left. You still have time to book your place. If you're interested, go to the website. The information is there.
And if there are no places left, there is still the retreat in August.
Yes, there is. Yes,
which we'll talk about in more detail later in the year. So now there are other things to talk about.
Yes. Well, we've got a new booklet, which is proving popular already, True Spirit of Gratitude. It really is one of the core values of unity, saying thank you, and that gift of gratitude. And there are some great stories in here. People are loving it. My mum's loving it. She's telling me all the stories in here. And so, yes, if you'd like to order a copy, you can do so online. You can call the office. Please do. We have a limited number in stock. So, yes, order away. Please do. And then, yes, the online Zoom meetings that we do, kicking off with our Conversations in Unity. That's a once a month affair where we open it up to everybody. We have a different topic. It's open discussion. Nobody is teaching or training or saying what you must believe. It really is just an open discussion about different topics. And this month, Jane Gough, Steve's beloved wife, will be leading the conversation around the subject of fear, which is quite a deep and interesting subject. Steve, you'll be there as well, won't you?
I will.
So yes, do join, because it's lovely to just meet you all informally. So that's our first official event, if you like. We do have a history class that's starting, and people might think, history? Oh no, that doesn't interest me. Personally, I love history. I think we can get a lot out of it. This is a class being taught to SEE students, our Unity Study students, but it's open to all those who are interested in finding out more about Unity's history and also where we fit in the metaphysical movement and the New Thought movement. And if you don't know what they are, Google it, you can find out. It's a very interesting class. You can participate as much or as little as you wish to. It's only £25 for 4 Thursday evenings. If you want to join, you're going to have to email me personally or call the office, and we'll give you some more information. But that is open. It starts actually next week, next Thursday, so there isn't a lot of time. But
hurry.
Indeed. Don't just go for it. Just book your place. And then, of course, we've got our 5 principles class, which is an introduction to unity and the core values which uphold us as students of unity. We're called. Unity is a movement. It's growing and changing all the time, but there are core values that we practice all the time. If you're interested in that, details are on the website. We love having these meetings with you. They're my favorite part of Unity in many ways these days, having these meetings online. So there is a lot going on.
Okay, and of course we have our regular events like the Daily Word service and the midday service and all sorts of other things.
Sunday
service.
Yes.
All on the website. And we shall see you again in another month. So
and
have a great sunny May.
Well, hopefully joining us online as well.
And hopefully joining online. Or even coming to the retreat.
Yes.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.